Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaleva. See, this is 12th standard maths, CBSE, chapter 9, miscellaneous exercise, 9th sum. Find the particular solution of the differential equation 1 plus e power 2x into dy plus 1 plus y square e power x into dx equal to 0, given that y equal to 1 when x equal to 0. So, if the values are given, you should find out the C value. That is nothing but a particular solution. You can take the equation, differential equation 1 plus e power 2x into dy plus 1 plus y square into e power x into dx equal to 0. So, 1 plus e power 2x into dy equal to minus 1 plus y square e power x into dx. By doing the variable separable method, you can bring the y term to one side and x term to the other side. So, dy by 1 plus y square equal to minus e power x dx by, you can bring this term to the right hand side, 1 plus e power 2x. So, after completing the variable separable method, we can integrate on both the sides. Integral both the sides. What is the formula for integral? Dx by integral dx by a square plus x square. 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. See here 1 square plus y square, we apply that formula. See in this, you can take this one as I. So, what is the I value here? I equal to integral e power x dx by 1 plus that e power 2x, you write it in e power x the whole square. You know that indices formula, that is exponential a power m whole power n equal to a power mn. So, here e power x alone you can take it as t. So, differentiate with respect to x on both the sides, e power x into dx, e power x into dx equal to dt. So, e power x into dx equal to dt 1 plus t square. So, you apply this formula. See here, integral dy by 1 square plus y square equal to minus integral e power x dx by 1 plus e power x the whole square. So, integral dy by 1 square plus y square equal to minus e power x dx is nothing but what? Dt. Dt by 1 plus t square. Dt by 1 plus t square. So, what is the formula? Integral dy by 1 plus y square equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. A value is 1. So, 1 by 1. So, tan inverse of y by 1, that is 1 by 1, 1 by a, tan inverse of y by 1 equal to minus tan inverse of t by 1, the same way 1 by 1, 1 by a plus c, plus c. So, tan inverse of y equal to minus tan inverse of t plus c. What is the t value there? E power x. T value is e power x. You replace t by, that is tan inverse of y equal to minus tan inverse of e power x plus c. Now, we should find out the value of c. So, tan inverse of y plus tan inverse of e power x equal to c. E power x equal to c passes through the point given the value is given y equal to 1, y equal to 1, x equal to 0. You can apply here. So tan inverse of 1 plus tan inverse of e power 0, tan inverse of e power 0 equal to c. Tan inverse of 1 is what? Pi by 4. Tan inverse of e power 0 value is 1. Anything to the power 0 value is 1. Tan inverse of 1 equal to c. So pi by 4 plus pi by 4 equal to c. What is the c value? 2 pi by 4. C value is 2 pi by 4. It's nothing but what? Pi by 2. So what is the particular solution? Tan inverse of y plus tan inverse of y plus tan inverse of e power x equal to pi by 2 is the required differential equation, is the required particular solution of, is the required differential, is the required differential equation, is the particular solution of the required differential equation. See, it is given in the sum. See the 10th sum, solve the differential equation. It is in the form of x by y. If it is y by x, you can take it as y equal to vx. If it is x by y, you can take it as x equal to vy because it is a homogeneous equation. If it is given like this x by y, you just think of the homogeneous equation. Suppose if it is in the form of y by x, you can take it as y equal to vx. It is in the form of x by y, you can take it as x equal to vy. See here, y e power x by y into dx equal to x e power x by y plus y square into dy. You can bring it into dy by dx form. Dy by dx equal to y e power x by y, y e power x by y by x e power x by y plus y square. You can do the cross multiplication, you can get the result. Okay, dy by dx, but we have to take it as what? X equal to vy. So you can change it dx by dy. If suppose y equal to vx means you can take it as dy by dx, but we have to take here x by y. So you can reciprocal that value, dx by dy equal to x e power x by y plus y square by y e power x by y, y e power x by y, dx by dy equal to, I will write it here, dx by dy equal to x e power x by y plus y square by y e power x by y. So it is a homogeneous equation. You can take it as x equal to, put x equal to vy. Differentiate with respect to y on both the sides. What is that? Dx by dy. Differentiate with respect to y. Differentiate with respect to y on both the sides. Dx by dy equal to uv formula you can apply. V into y become 1 plus y into v become dv by dy. dv by dy because with respect to y. So dx by dy equal to v plus y into dv by dy. v plus y into dv by dy. So you can apply v plus y into dv by dy equal to v plus y into dv by dy equal to x. See here x equal to vy, that implies x by y equal to v. x by y equal to v. So what is x value? X value is Vy into, what is e power x by y? E power v plus y square by plus y square. You can do it everything in your ulta, by y into e power v. Y into e power v. V plus y into dv by dy equal to, y is common, you can take it out, y into v e power v plus y, y into v e power v, v e power v plus y by y by plus y by y e power v, y get cancel. So v plus y into dv by dy equal to, dv by dy equal to v e power v plus y by e power v plus y by e power v. See here, v plus y into dv by dy equal to v e power v plus y by e power v, y into dv by dy equal to v e power v plus y by e power v minus v. You can bring this term to the right hand side. Can take the LCM, y into dv by dy equal to v e power v plus y minus v e power v. You can take it as e power v as the LCM by e power v. V e power v, v e power v get cancelled. What is the remaining value? Y into dv by dy equal to y by e power v. See here, by variable separable method. See, by variable separable method, e power v into dv equal to y by y into dy. The cross multiplication, e power v into dv equal to y by y into dy. Y get cancelled. So what is the remaining value? E power v into dv equal to dy, integrating on both the sides. Integral e power v equal to e power v equal to integral dy equal to y plus c. Then you replace that v by x by y. So e power x by y equal to y plus c, or e power x by y, e power x by y minus y equal to c is the required differential equation. Is the required differential equation. See the 11th sum, find a particular solution of the differential equation. Particular solution means you should find out the value of the c. X minus y into dx plus dy equal to dx minus dy. You given that y equal to minus 1 when x equal to 0. So you can take it as x minus y into dx plus dy. X minus y into dx plus dy equal to dx minus dy. Dx minus dy by variable separable method. See here, dx plus dy equal to dx minus dy by x minus y. X minus y. Integrating on both the sides. Integrating on both the sides. For this term alone, you can take it as x minus y equal to t. X minus y equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. What we have to do? See, dx minus dy equal to dt. Dx minus dy equal to dt. So dx minus dy equal to dt. You can substitute this value. See here, integral dx plus integral dy equal to integral dx minus dy is nothing but what? Dt by t. Integral dx is x plus y equal to integral dt by t is what? Log of mod t plus c, log of mod t plus c. So x plus y equal to log of mod, what is the value of t? X minus y plus c. You can substitute the value y equal to minus 1 when x equal to 0, y equal to minus 1 when x equal to 0, 0 minus 1 equal to 0 minus 1 equal to log of 0 minus of minus 1, log of 0 minus of minus 1 plus c. See here, minus 1 equal to log of modulus of minus into minus 1 equal to plus 1 plus c, plus c. What is the value of log 1? Log 1 equal to 0. Log 0 equal to minus infinity. So minus 1 equal to log 1 plus c. What is the value of c? Minus 1 equal to 0 plus c. C value equal to minus 1. C value equal to minus 1. You can substitute in this equation. You can take it as this equation as 1. You can substitute in this equation. So x plus y, you can take in this equation as, because you substituted t equal to x minus y. So you can take it as this equation as 1. So x plus y equal to log of modulus of x minus y minus 1. Log x plus y equal to log of modulus of x minus y minus 1. See here, log of modulus of x minus y equal to, you bring that minus 1 to the what? Left hand side. So x plus y plus 1 is the required particular solution of the differential equation, is the required particular solution, is the required, because they have given as y value as minus 1 and x value equal to z, means you should find out the value of c. It is nothing but a particular solution, is the required particular solution, is the required particular solution of the given differential equation, of the given differential equation. So this equation is nothing but the what? Particular solution of the given differential equation. I hope you understood this miscellaneous exercise, children. See, to receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.